Now we are going to connect the disk drives to power. The connector looks like this. And they have many along the way. Look at this. For example, this has 3. 1, 2, 3. That's because when you add more hard drives, you can power them together in one line here. So I will use one for this hard drive, and one branch for hard drive, and one branch for the CD-ROM drive or DVD drive. Okay, that one went in, and I will take the other branch. Where did it go? Oh, here's the branch. And then I will put this in. Okay, so we got the power part right now. We don't need this here, so let's put this away. Okay, we're done with power.